Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope your quarantine is going happy and healthy. I am making a Oreo biscuit cake today. Honestly speaking, I am not a biscuit cake fan, but I have added a chocolate sauce layer on the top of it to make it more tasty. I am going to use a kadhai to bake it. You can use cooker, any kind of oven or convection microwave. Let's start with the recipe. Okay, before we start prepping for the cake batter, first I am placing the kadhai on the top of the gas, or you can use cooker to do so. I have covered the kadhai and start working on cake batter. I have taken a full packet of Oreo and blend it in a mixer grinder and make a fine powder out of it, which looks like this. Now it already have some butter in it, so I'm not going to add extra, but if you feels like to put some, you can add at this stage. After that, I am adding half cup milk, which is around 50 ml, and baking powder around 1/4 tablespoon. Blend it again for around 30 seconds. It should look like something this, a runny batter. One tip, if you're baking on gas, that use aluminium tin or kadhai, because aluminium has more heat retention than other metal. Also it will distribute heat evenly. So that I have taken this tart pan. I'm baking a really small cake just for two. You can choose the size of the mold according to your kadhai which you have taken. As I have taken a tart pan, first I'll add or brush it with generous amount of oil, and after that I am adding an aluminium sheet to cover the tart pan. Do this step very carefully. In case you are using any tin or pan other than this kind of tin, you should avoid the step. Just use butter or oil to grease the pan. Once you finish doing this, you can add the batter. Now I am adding the batter. I will fill it only 1/2 of its length, like that. After that I'll tap the pan. So my kadhai is already preheating. I'll uncover the lid and add my tin into the kadhai. Here for 4 to 5 minutes, put the flame on high, and after that just turn the flame to the low. After around 25 minutes, it will look like something this. Once it cooled down completely, you can demold it. You can see it's so spongy. If you don't have baking powder, you can use Eno instead of that. It will come out this spongy. I have added an extra layer of chocolate sauce. You can decorate it with anything like ice cream, chocolate ganache or chocolate sauce. I am adding generous amount of chocolate sauce to top it. You can clearly see the air pockets or air bubble in the sponge. It came out really spongy. Once I end up adding chocolate sauce, I start decorating them with jelly gummy bears. These are easily available at any candy store. If you don't have, you can garnish it with biscuits also. In case you don't want to bake a cake, you can click on the link for a no bake cake recipe. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.